The United States and Russia have taken a significant step in diplomatic negotiations over the Ukraine war, but without Kyiv at the table. High-level officials from both nations met in Riyadh for over 4 hours, discussing potential steps towards ending the conflict. However, the absence of Ukrainian representatives has raised concerns in Kyiv and among European allies. Following the talks, President Donald Trump expressed optimism, stating that he has the power to end the war and that a meeting with Russian President Volodymyr Putin could take place before the end of the month. Meanwhile, Russia reinforced its demand that NATO must officially withdraw its 2008 promise of potential membership for Ukraine, a position that directly contradicts the alliance's long-standing commitment. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio, who participated in the talks, emphasized that discussions would continue at a high level, with teams assigned to further negotiations. He reassured allies that no agreement would be made without considering all parties involved. However, Ukrainian officials have strongly rejected any deal that does not include their direct participation, with President Volodymyr Zelensky postponing his planned visit to Saudi Arabia in protest. European leaders, including German Chancellor, have reiterated that no decisions should be made over Ukraine's head, while critics in Washington have warned that engaging in bilateral talks with Moscow could legitimize Russian demands without securing meaningful concessions. The negotiations have also sparked concerns about the future of NATO security commitments and ongoing U.S. military aid to Ukraine. As discussions continue, attention is now focused on whether Trump and Putin will move forward with a direct meeting and what that could mean for the broader geopolitical landscape.